The brakes are done. Turned out pretty well. Very happy with it. That's the end result. Very nice. Can't be even happier. I love it. I love it. An upgraded GTI brakes and a slotted and drilled rotor. Looks pretty nice. I really like it. Alright, so it's time to remove this brake caliper. It's loosened up now, so what I'll do is I'll release the handbrake, and I'll be removing this cable to free up this whole caliper here. I'll just have to loosen the bolts, the bottom and here at the top, and this whole thing will basically come off. Well, the next thing that's going to come off is this carrier here. I'll be doing that, but before I do so, I want to make sure I secure this so it doesn't fall off. So folks, similarly with the front brake caliper here, the same concept. I'll be basically removing the caliper by taking this bolt off, one in the bottom, and I will be removing the carrier as well. I have a replacement carrier that has already been powder coated red, blood red, and I'll be sanding this caliper down, cleaning it up of course, and be painting it for sure. So anyhow, that's basically what I'll be doing on the front as well, and just to show you how this technique is done. So guess what came in today? My rotor and the slotted rotors and the carrier for the bigger brakes just came in today, and I can't wait to get it installed. Pretty much the car here is ready to go. Calipers are all painted, so we're good to go. Alright guys, you open up the first box, and it looks like could be the hanger. The process here, or Could be our this could be our carrier. Yeah, it is. It is our carrier. Nice. All right. Look at that. Beauty. Nice. Can't wait to get it installed. Here's the difference between the other carrier compared to what I'll be replacing it with. There's a difference between the two. Here's the old one, and here's the bigger carrier that I'll be putting in to accommodate the bigger rotor. So awesome. Okay, let's look at the second one here. Probably the left side versus the right side carrier. So yeah, awesome. Definitely get it going soon. We got the rotor here. Sweet. This baby up. There we go. That's how it goes. There we go. Nice. Here goes the rotor for the front, and we are gonna install it soon. Ladies and gentlemen, the next step here, we're gonna dismantle the rotor. I got a T30 torque wrench, and here it goes. So basically, the carrier itself, I'll be basically torquing it at 147.5 foot-pound. right. Alright, all done folks for the front. I'll do the same thing in the back. So folks, I have already torqued the caliper, which is at the 25.8, similarly at the front. Now I'm torquing the carrier. It's at 66.4. Okay folks. We'll wait till the click happens. There you go. Let's do the other side. It's a little tricky. Get the tools in here. And on top of the 66.4, there's a 90-degree turn in the process as well. So what it really requires to do here is just have an additional turn in the process, about 90 degrees, as far as we can here. Go. Similarly in the bottom. Additional 90 degrees. That should be enough. Alright folks, all done. Everything's torqued up. So can't wait to throw the wheels back in. As you guys know, the other side has been completed earlier on in the process. So we're all good, we're all set. Can't wait to start driving the car.